For uploading the code in Arduino Uno, you need Arduino IDE. You can get it from the Microsoft Store. So now let's start the uploading part. By clicking on that button, it will start uploading in the Arduino Uno. As you can see, it has done uploading. If the software shows any error regarding that the library of keypad.h is not included, then you can download it from this website. Download the latest keypad library which is given on the top. After you download it, go into the Arduino IDE, then into the sketch, then into include library, then add.zip library. There you have to add the downloaded file. After that, the problem will be solved.